Welcome back for another day of fun with virtual Camp McLean. I'm your camp director, Andrew, and we're back with new activities. Today we'll step into Professor G's lab for some science. Lauren will have an arts and crafts project for our 3 and 4-year-olds, followed by music with Chris, and we'll check in with former camp director Mike for some Minute to Win It. Ready for today? So are we. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Professor G here, and I'm outside today with my lab assistant, TK. Today we're gonna do a shadow show. Get ready. These are the materials that you will need for a shadow show. Chalk, a partner or a parent, a sunny day, and a chalk-safe surface. First, you want to make sure it's a nice sunny day out so you can see your shadow. Next, do a silly pose so that you can see your shadow. Then, have your partner grab the sidewalk chalk and draw an outline of what they see. Once you have completed a shadow, move on to another space. Strike another pose and repeat these steps. Once you have finished all shadow characters, dress them up. You can draw a face on them, you can give them clothes, make them real fancy. Afterwards, develop a storyline and enjoy the show. There are lots of fun things you can do to find out more about shadows. Try making your shadow as small as you can, and then as big as you can. Can you change the shape of your shadow? Try making it go up steps or around a corner. Try doing shadow outlines early or late in the day to create huge, distorted shadows. Or try tracing shadow silhouettes of other objects like bicycles or playground structures. If you trace the same object at regular intervals, for instance, every 20 minutes, try using a different color each time. You can create a beautiful piece of art. Man, guys, we had a great time in our shadow show, and I hope you did too. Join us in sharing your experiment with us at McLean Community Center's Facebook page using the hashtag Camp McLean 2020. We'd love to see what you've done. Check us out for more coming soon. See you later.
Thanks, Professor G. Next up, we have Lauren with Arts and Crafts for Tots.
Hi guys, I'm Lorian and I'm one of the directors here at Camp McLean, and today we're going to do some tot art. So I picked a project from this book called Mr. Seahorse by Eric Carle. Very popular book. There's a bunch of different characters to choose from, but honestly, I love the seahorse. So we're going to go ahead and recreate this seahorse. So I just outlined with a Sharpie a shape of a seahorse. So you guys can do that so that it's easier for your toddler to get in with like the painting. So what you'll need is some cardstock or watercolor paper, or even construction paper. It might bleed just a little bit, so just be careful with that. Scissors, glue, water of course, and your watercolors. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I'm all done with Mr. Seahorse. So here he is, I cut him out. And now I'm gonna glue him on some construction paper. This could be a 2-day project. If your little one wants to take a break and it's too much, let them just watercolor the seahorse, let it dry, and then cut it out the next day or leave it as it is. But if you want to continue, I'm going to glue this down, and I've cut a few pieces of seaweed just from the picture that we painted, just to keep with the collage theme that Eric Carle has. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue my seahorse. There we go. Anywhere on the paper is fine. This is your artwork. If you want them coming off the paper, that's fine too. Okay. Glue some of these seaweed strips. And that just gives it a fun underwater look. Put some on top, some pieces under. Much it for the project, and that is your Mr. Seahorse. I can't wait to see what you guys have made. If you want to do other characters from the book, I can't wait to see it. Share it on our Facebook page and always use our hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Bye guys.
Thanks, Lorian. Next up is Dr. Chris. He has a lesson on music tempo.
Good day, campers. It is I, Dr. Chris, your virtuoso with a PhD in musicology. Now today, we got something special. Tempo. Tempo is used to determine the speed in music. Now we always count music in fours. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right guys, we're gonna try to play around with the Camp McLean band. So try to play along with us. You can clap, snap, sing, hum, stomp your feet. If you have an instrument at home, try that, but try to keep up. Instruments up. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, that was fun. Remember, show your knowledge of tempo and make a beat with your friends and family. Share it by going to McLean Community Center's Facebook and share using the hashtag Camp McLean 2020. See you guys next time.
Thanks, Dr. Chris. Next up is Mike with Minute to Win It, featuring TK.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm your host, Mike, and for today's Minute to Win It challenge, we'll be doing a game called Bouncer. Assistant, could you please tell them about the rules and what supplies they'll need?
Of course. All you need is a long enough table and an equal amount of ping pong balls to cups. No less than 6, no more than 12. We recommend 12 ping pong balls. Here are the rules. Arrange the cups in the middle of the table in a line 2 inches apart. When time begins, use only one bounce to get the ball in each cup. You cannot move to the next cup until you get it in. If you're playing by yourself, you have 60 seconds. If you want to play with your family, first person to successfully get a ball in each cup or the fastest time wins. We have our contestants, Dr. Chris and Coach Ben, here to demonstrate for you. Contestants, are you ready? Your time begins in 3, 2, 1. Remember, if you don't have enough ping pong balls, you have to go get them.
So now that you've seen how it's done, it's your turn to try. Are you going to have the right bounce? Have your parents film your attempt and share it on social media with hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Thanks for joining us for this video, and we'll hope to see you next time. Until then, stay safe.
Special thanks to Professor G, Lorian, Chris, and Mike for providing today's activities, as well as our behind-the-scenes team. Remember, we would love to see your art and science projects, your concert, and Minute to Win It attempt, so don't forget to share your videos with us on our social media page and hashtag Camp McLean 2020. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.